Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here on cTrader. If you want to place a trade, you can do two things. You can click on the left three lines in the top to see right here your search list. And if you want to search for something, just write it down here. So let's say we want to buy some Ethereum, search for Ethereum, and there we have it, Ethereum to US dollar. So then click on it, and now we are having here the chart. Then right now what we're going to do, right mouse click, and then right here we click on place new order. You can also go right here and click there on new order, but right now you will get right here the market order. Then right now what we're going to do is select if you want to sell or buy right here, and then you can decide right here how much lots you want to buy. So let's do one lot, that's fine. And then right now we click here on place order, and now we created ourselves a order. So now you see right here that we created one lot of Ethereum. So this is exactly how you place a trade right here on cTrader. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.